Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be just a bit different. So I went to Walmart, did my regular grocery shopping run, and I found this. So this is the new DiGiorno pizza. It's promoting Deadpool. This is the Spicy Wolverine Pie, or the Spicy Wolvie Pie. So we're going to give this a try and see if it's any good. Alright, so we've taken this out the bag, or the box, and we can go ahead and open this up. So supposedly this is supposed to be have chorizo, bacon, chicken, pepperoni. So looks to be about like a regular DiGiorno pizza. We'll go ahead and spread out the pepperonis a bit. So we are going to throw this into a 425-degree oven, and we're going to get this cooked up. All right, so we're putting this in a 425-degree preheated oven, and we're going to cook this for 17 minutes per the package instructions. So 17 minutes later, we're done. Pizza doesn't look too bad. So we're going to get this sliced up, and we're going to give this a taste test and see how good it really is. All right, so we've got our slice of pizza. So we let it sit 5 minutes per the package instructions. So let's give this a taste. We've got a nice crunchy crust. To me, it's not very spicy, but for store-bought pizza, it's pretty good. You know, considering it was only like $5, $6. So, yeah, in my mind, you know, it's okay. It's not as good as I expected it to be, but it's pizza from the store in the freezer section. So, it's as good as it gets. So, hope you all enjoyed the video.